Hi guys, it's Muspace and happy Valentine's Day. Today we got a very special package that came in the mail today and I'm so excited to share with you guys what came in the mail. Yay! Do you guys see her? Yeah, it's another unboxing. We got My Little Pony SKULLPANDA edition. Excited because when I was watching the trailer, it had hair that you can decorate, braid, and curl even, I believe. So here is the box. Okay, this is the box, and then here's all the girls. Okay. And of course, the dang secret is, I think it's the Celestial Dark Queen. And then Sunset Shimmer. I really want the Black Dark Queen one. And let me see which one. And I also want Rarity, Twilight Sparkle, and Fluttershy. Those are my three that I mainly want. Oh, and Pinkie Pie. I love Pinkie Pie. She's just so funny. But yeah, so hopefully I get a secret in here, because literally all the people I know have so far gotten really good with secrets. So I hope there's a secret in here. But if I get all of them, great. But I need some secrets, okay? So I believe in this box there is only a total of 6 plush. So it is smaller than the other ones that I've opened. Literally, My Little Pony is a childhood memory core. Okay, she is set. She is displayed. We're gonna go ahead and pick one. Let's pick this one. So, oh my goodness, who are you going to be? Because I'm so excited. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Dang, the box ripped. Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh. Look at the bag though. It's so unique. At least this one, you're not throwing away this bag. This bag is staying for sure. But let's go ahead and open her. Who do we have? Oh, you guys, she's so pretty. She's so pretty. And they have net for her hair. Oh my goodness. Adorable. Now we can look at the card. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Girl, you are poppin', Twilight. So she has a scarf and her horn. Look at it. Oh my goodness. That's so cute. Okay. All right. So we got one down, definitely. Now I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, we got Twilight. Okay, we got Twilight. Now let's try to get Fluttershy or Pinkie Pie or Rarity. Okay, so excited. Okay, gotta get this one. Okay. We got Rarity. Rarity is so cute. Ooh, you are fluffy, girl. What the? She's so fluffy. Wow. Oh, and her magical horn. Oh my goodness. And her hair curly. Ooh, I love it. Rarity is poppin'. There's Rarity. She's super fluffy. I love that. And then she has the diamond hair clip there. And then her eyes. And then that's her back. She's fluffy. Okay, that's her. And her card. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay. So we got Twilight. And we have Rarity. Come on, give me a good one. Give me another good one. So far, I've gotten the ones I want. So there's got to be another way, like a better way of opening these, because dang, I'm just like destroying these dang boxes. This one's a little bit hard. Okay. Who are we gonna get? We got Pinkie Pie. Oh my goodness. I love her. She's so pink. And then she has her little birthmark there. Oh my goodness. And then look, the white and the pink. Oh my goodness. Right there too. That's so cute. She's like candy cane. She got balloons on her cheek and a star. And there she is. She's literally Valentine's Day sweetheart. The balloons literally look like candy stuck in like this fuzz. And then let's go ahead and pick this one. So we got Twilight, Pinkie Pie, and Rarity. Okay. Come on. Give me a secret. I want a secret. Okay, so let's go ahead. What did we get? We got Applejack. Oh my goodness. Her eyes are freaking pretty. They're like green grapes. Okay, at first I wasn't so like, I'm not so stoked on getting her, but she is so pretty. Oh my gosh, is that an apple? Oh my gosh, an apple. And literally A for Applejack right there. And then her blonde hair. Sheesh. I need to achieve that. And then there's her apple birthmark. Wow, she is freaking gorgeous. Look, the ropes and then her apple. Applejack. So we're down to two of the boxes left. Oh, please be a secret. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. Secret. Are you gonna be the secret? You're not the secret, but you are one of the ones I wanted, Fluttershy. Okay, so there's her butterfly mark. And then she got a butterfly bow. More butterflies. Ugh, gorgeous. You are gorgeous. You are my favorite. You guys are all my favorite. She's so pretty. Last box. My light just died. So, I don't know if the light dying is a signal for me to not like expect a secret for this one. So I feel like I'm gonna take it as a sign. Don't be excited. This is not gonna be a secret. Close my eyes. Who do I got? And it's Rainbow Dash. See what I mean? No secrets. But okay. Yeah, there's Rainbow Dash. She's so pretty. Also, rainbow hair, the lightning bolt, and her. This is cute, like her shoe. The rainbow hair, like Rainbow Dash. So literally, this whole box, we got the whole full collection, but 0 secrets. I really wanted a secret. I love this collection, so thank you guys for watching me unbox this beautiful collection, because overall I love all of these My Little Ponies. But now it's time to hunt for the secrets. I will try my luck again. Thank you guys for watching. Please give this a video a like and subscribe and share. Comment down below which one was your favorite. Happy Valentine's Day, and spend it with your loved ones. If you don't have a loved one, spend it with your mom, your dad, or anybody, friend. Like and subscribe. Bye.